Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Now today, my mail lady, we have a very long drive, so our mail lady pulls in the drive and she honks. And so that means I got a present that came in the mail. Whoops. So this is the Love from Lizi kit, so we're going to open it all together. I'm so excited. And I just checked Lizi's site. Kits are still available. So we will have to, I'll leave a link below down in the description area for you. Oh gosh, I love these colors. Okay. It comes with a nice thank you letter. Love that. Always love that. And we're gonna, oops. You slow down. Okay. Let's pull our kit out. This month's kit comes in a 12 by 12 package. So there's some 12 by 12 cardstocks in here. So we're just going to open this goodie bag up here. And see what we get. This is the Love from Lizi February 2018 card kit. And so we're going to pull everything. Well, I want to show you the cardstock first. That's always the first thing. Okay, and I got to move my coffee out of the way. Okay, ooh, this is so cool. Okay. Now, you get you get a yellow, and these are A2 size sheets of cardstock. So you get a yellow. I'm going to go this way. And then you get a black. Kind of has a little bit of texture to it. Kind of a real matte. I like that. So you get a matte. And then you get a pink. Then you get a green. And then you get two sheets of white cardstock. And they're very smooth. And if you've watched the Lizi's unboxing, she said that these are perfect and alcohol marker friendly sheets of white cardstock. So that's great too. So you get two sheets of those. Then you get this sheet. This is actually, let me zoom it. I don't know, my camera is kind of focusing. But this is a matte, and it looks so much like chalkboard. But it has a real smooth finished white background. And this is A4 size, I believe. So it's a little bit longer and a little bit less wide. So you get a sheet of that. So these are your cardstocks. Now, next we're going to go with the 12 by 12 pattern papers. And you get 3 sheets of these. And I'm sorry, you won't be able to see the whole sheet, so I'm going to slowly go over it. So this is the first one. So cute. A lot of word bubbles or thought bubbles, and it looks like a little chalkboard finish. I love that. I love my chalkboard. So I really like this. Some of them have sentiments. This one says you and me. This one says hello. This one says XOXO. So you get a 12 by 12 sheet of this. And then on the reverse side, you get some large stripes. Stripe patterns. Love that. So you get this sheet. I'm going to flip it over because I like the pattern here. And then you get a 12 by 12 sheet of cutouts. Love that. Now these two, of course, will be too big for cards, but of course you always can improvise. You can cut them down, cut them out, which are really nice. And there's a few sentiments in here. That's my word. Lovely. Bedazzling. I love that. Hooray, it's my party. I love the candles. Love that one. So you get a sheet of that. Then on the reverse side, it's like chalkboard with some hearts. So that's a fun sheet also. And then our third 12 by 12 sheet has this is another cutout. And let's see. This is an A2 size card, so some of these panels will be too large, but you can make them fit no problems here. And I'm pretty sure that will fit on there too. So this one is a really large one, but it's a beautiful pattern. So if you love scrapbooking, you could save this for your scrapbook page. But you get a 12 by 12 sheet of this, and we're just going to flip it over, and you get some beautiful floral pattern. So that is your 12 by 12 papers. Now it also comes with some 6 by 6 pattern papers, and we're just going to go through these real quickly. These are cupcakes, which are so sweet. Love my cupcakes. You get a green two-tone. You get a real pretty floral. You get a rainbow ombre stripe paper. This is real pretty. Love that. Some polka dots or confetti. And then a smaller scale of the little hearts with the black background. And then you get this beautiful pattern. Love that. I know there's a word for this, but I just don't remember it. But you get some of that. Get some diamonds, or argyle, kind of, sort of. Then you get this pattern paper. These have stripes on it. Real pretty. And you get this sheet. This actually looks like gold foiling, but it's not. It's part of the paper. It amazes me how you can make paper look like gold. Then you got two-tone heart pattern, and then you got some black and white stripes with some polka dots or confetti. Love that one too. So this is your pattern paper here. Now Lizi's kit this month comes with some stickers. And these stickers, let's see, are they chipboard? No, these are just regular stickers, but they are enhanced with gold accents. You could barely see them there. You could see the gold accents on them. So you get a sheet of those. And this sheet is a 9 by 4. So you get a 9 by 4 sticker sheet. You get a specialty glitter paper, and this is half of an A4 size. So you get a sheet of that. Nice glittery elements. And then you also get, you can see this is more of a yellow gold, and then this is more of a coppery gold. And you get some peel-offs. These peel-offs, Lizi has her own exclusive peel-offs. You can't see it, but her name's down there on the bottom. But the nice thing about these is the glitter does not come off. And these are lovely accents to finish off your card. I actually one time tried to put it, they're so pretty, I tried to do nail art. Put them on my nails. Well, my nails are a mess right now, but it lasted for a couple hours, and then I did dishes. So. But you also get the stamp set for this month. This month's stamp set is really, really cute. You get 5 balloons. 4 of them have sentiments. Happy birthday to you. Birthday, happy, flying by to say hi. Oh, it's a special day. It's on the birthday present, and it's your birthday. And the nice thing about this is I love the fact that it has numbers, that you can customize birthday cards with this. How nice is this? This is lovely. That's going to be so fun to play with. Okay, so we get all of those. Now, we're going to go look in bag number 2. We get some ribbons. Beautiful ribbons. Okay. So, we're going to... My coffee's just been in the way. So, this is 1/8 of an inch. Maybe 1/16 of an inch. So, if that's half, it's an 1/8. Yeah, maybe 1/16 of an inch, but it's real fine black ribbon, satin. And you get some gold and this one is 1/8 of an inch. And I love this because it's thin, but it's movable. That's the best kind of ribbon. So you get some of that. You get a thin yellow mint green, and then you get a little bit thicker, a little less than 1/2 inch thick yellow, and this is the pale pink. Camera's really not picking it up, but you get those ribbons. So you get 5 ribbons in this time, and then you get, these are bubblegum blush. Oh, I love that name. It just sounds pretty. I need some white cardstock. I want to show you guys what that looks like. I'm going to open that up here. Oh, this is pretty. So that's a real pretty pale pink. How pretty that is. So these are crystal drops. Beautiful. You know, I haven't, my collection keeps growing and growing, and the funny thing is, in all of Lizi's kit, they come with Nuvo drops. And I always like to put a dot of it on the top. That way, when it dries, I know what color it is. But I always like things nice and orderly, and so I'm searching right now for a holder for all of these. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Because the bottles are so pretty, I like to showcase them in my craft room. Okay, next off, this is so neat. I just love this. How cool is this? These are gold foil stickers. I don't know if you can see this, but these are beautiful. So you get 1 sheet, 2 sheets, 3 sheets, 4 sheets, 5 sheets. Oh my goodness, this is tons. My goodness. Live the life you love, huh? So you get a book, a sticker book with gold foiling, and it matches these ones beautifully. So you get that, and then you get a sample pack of sequins, and these coordinate perfectly with the color palette. I love that. I'm going to show you. Oh, let's see, I smushed my little heart there. Look how pretty those are. So you get some of those, and then here you get, this is gold gilding flakes, and they're probably from Nuvo. With the gold, I've tried them before for the first time in one of Lizi's past kits, and so a little bag of these goes a real long way. Excuse me. And so we get to use those in this kit, mostly today. And then you get 2 little mirror embellishments, and they're sticky backed, so they come off. Love those. You get 2 of those. Then you get 2 of these, are so cute. These are paper clips. I'm going to tear the package so I can show you. So when you adhere them to your project, nope, you want to make sure that just the back one shows. That way you see the whole diamond. But look how pretty that is. That is so neat. And they are a little bit on the bulky side, but they are lovely. I love these. And these match those things, the peel-offs, and also your mirrors and your stickers. Those match beautifully. What else do we get? Tons and tons. Okay. Then you get 2 little, these are almost like gems, but they're in the shape of a heart. I think those are so cute. And then it comes with the tag and also your twine that's attached. So those are adorable. Nice little, these would be great for little gift bags or even on cards to make a pretty little embellishment. And the nice thing is, guys, is in your sticker sheet, I think I saw some diamonds. Yep, look. some diamonds. So they go, wow, all together along with your diamond clips here. So you get 2 of those. Then you get 5 little wood veneer hearts. You get 5 of them. I'm only going to show you 1 of them though. And they have a hole in them too. So you could attach twine, baker's twine, string. So you get 5 of those. And then you get your dies. Let's see what we got. Okay, you get a little flag banner with little stars in it. Cute. And then you get a happy birthday. Now, of course, I got to show you guys what they look like. Otherwise, I would wonder. I'm going to run this through my die cut machine. So this is your happy birthday. I'm going to scoot this over here. So this is an A2 size card base. So the happy birthday is like the perfect size along with the banner. Well, there you go. I just made a card. No, just kidding. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is everything that is in the Love from Lizi February 2018 card kit. Kits are still available right now as we speak. So I'll leave links below if you want to check it out. Now, if you are in, Lizi's shop is in the UK. Now, if you're in the States, if you click on Lizi's shop, up in the very top right hand corner, there is a currency converter built into her website, which is so neat. All you do is click on it. Right now it's at the UK currency. So just click on it and there'll be a little drop down menu. Click on the US dollar and it will show everything in Lizi's kit in US dollars. So that will help out tremendously for when you do your shopping. Okay? Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. We will see you again real soon for 10 cards, 1 kit. And have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.